Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English grammar, and the topic is phrasal verbs. Here we will learn about phrasal verbs, the use of phrasal verbs and their meanings, and how to use phrasal verbs in sentences. We will know it. So come on the chapter and try to know about the chapter in detail. A phrasal verb is formed with a verb plus an adverb or and a preposition. A phrasal verb is formed with a verb plus an adverb or and a preposition. Understand? See the example. Look in.
Pay a short visit. Pay a short visit.
Afterward, you are getting the second one, look after. Take care of, verb plus preposition. Third one is look up to, means respect, verb, adverb and preposition. Understand? Afterward, we are coming, the next phrasal verb is break down. Fail to work. Fail to work. Used for car, piece of machinery, etc. So, see the structure of the sentence, how to use this phrasal verb in a sentence. See it here. We arrived late because the car had broken down. So, student, you know that here we use the phrasal verb breakdown for especially used for a car, a piece of machinery, etc. So here, and the meaning is fail to work. Breakdown means fail to work. Understand? The next one is break into. Break into means enter by force. Thieves broke into the house. Thieves broke into the house. Break into means enter by force. Understand? Afterward, the next one is break up. Cause to, break up means cause to come to an end. You have heard the word break up, break up. This is very prominent and it is very prevalent. Break up, but the meaning is that here cause to come to an end. The meeting broke up when the police arrived. So, most of the phrasal verbs are here in your class, and dear student, most of the phrasal verbs are given, and all the phrasal verbs you have to read by yourself, so that you will know the meaning and you will know how to use these phrasal verbs. Suppose that another phrasal verb is break off, end suddenly, discontinue. Understand? So, we can say that Peter broke off his engagement with her. Understand? Afterward, we will get more phrasal verbs. Bring up means educate someone. Call for means inquire. Call on, pay a short visit to. Understand? Call off, cause not to take place, cancel. So, here a lot of list, the list is too long. So, student, you have to read all these phrasal verbs by yourself and try to know about the meanings of all, so that you will do, if you will get these phrasal verbs in your examination, you will do it better. So, I hope that you will see these properly and you will know the uses of phrasal verbs. So, thanks for watching video. Thank you.